No. No, you can't have the silverware. No. Come on. Come on. Let's go. No, that's not for you. Come on. Step up. No. Come on. No. Don't attack me because I'm trying to get brother out of trouble. Come on, Trouble. Come on. Come on. No. No bite. Step up. That's right. Good bird. You can have the glasses. No, don't go poopy. You helping Mama put the dishes away. They love to be in the midst of everything. Uh-oh. Ew. No, you don't eat those. No, no. Hey, get out of the dishwasher. Get out of there. No. No coffee for birds. Oh, she's guarding. She's guarding. She's like, stay away. Why are you doing that? Get out of the dishwasher. Come on.